Hello Royalties, the vlogmas recipe of today is hibiscus tea rings. Keep on watching. So hibiscus flower is one of the most popular herbs we have in the natural community. Hibiscus flower is used for a lot of products because it contains a lot of amino acid, and one of its popular amino acid is called keratin, and keratin, as we all know, is great for hair growth because it has elasticity and strength to your hair follicle, so that makes it very good for hair growth. So hibiscus flower can be used in making a lot of hair product. Like I said, it can be used for your skin, it can be used for your hair, you can drink the tea, and it's also good for your body. So it's a very good and ideal product. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make hibiscus tea rings, which is great for your hair. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for at this moment. Please join my happy family by clicking on the subscribe button, and remember to like, share and comment on this video as well. Tell me how much you've used hibiscus flower, or if you've not, if this is the very first time you're hearing about hibiscus flower. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead into this video immediately. Okay, said before, this particular tea rings is very easy to make. So what you need is a cup of hibiscus flower, or if you're like me and you have your last batch of hibiscus flower, just put everything into a clean pot and add about a cup of water to it, and that is it, guys. That is all you have to do. And after doing that, you just have to put it in a medium heat stove. Make sure it's not very high. You don't want the hibiscus tea to overboil. Just put it in medium heat stove and let it boil for about 5 minutes, and then your hibiscus tea is ready. And you can easily add other ingredients, like I'm going to tell you about those other ingredients to fortify your hibiscus tea. Okay, so after removing your hibiscus tea from the stove, allow it to rest. Let it cool down a little bit before you start pouring it, because what you don't want to do is to burn yourself while pouring out your hibiscus tea. So this is the hibiscus tea is ready. My kitchen smells so divine. I just love the smell of the aroma of hibiscus, which is zobo, like we normally call it in Nigeria. It's very fruity, and it has this aromatic smell. So when your feel it has cooled down a little bit, you can go ahead and strain it using a sieve or whatever you have. If you want to use cheesecloth, you can also use that as well. So I'm just using my tiny sieve to strain the hibiscus leaf. So after doing that, this is my hibiscus. I love the color. It's a vibrant purple reddish color, which is very beautiful. So what I'm adding is just a few drops of garlic oil to the mix to just try and top up the tea rings. So my garlic oil, I use it a lot because I'm going to be using these tea rings in the bathroom as after my shampoo and also my hair mask treatment. So I'm going to be using it in the bathroom, and I want to have like a treatment to it. Adding the garlic oil to it. You can add any oil you have around. You can decide to just leave it like that. Is also very useful. So right here, I'm adding my hibiscus infused oil. I made this like a month ago, and it's very nice as well. So I infused it for about a month or so. So I'm just adding a drop of that into the mix as well. So after that, my tea rings is ready. So you must not use this exact oil that I am using. If you have any oil of your choice, you can add that to it. If you have black castor oil, if you have even olive oil, you could add that to it. So the thing is that after doing my shampoo, like I said, my deep conditioner, I do my tea rings and I leave it in my hair for about 10 minutes in the bathroom before washing the tea out of my hair. So I'm just putting into an applicator bottle so that it'll be easier for me to apply it in my hair in the bathroom. So a note of advice to everyone: this tea rings is very messy because you can see the color is reddish purple or whatever color you can see right now. If you have white tiles in your bathroom, be prepared to have a fit day washing off the color from the white tiles. So if you know you don't like messy business in the bathroom, you don't care about washing your bathroom later, please stay away from this series. But believe me, this series is great because it helps in strengthening your hair. So this is the end of it, guys. This is my hibiscus turns, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Till my next video. Bye.